In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload documents in SimplePractice. If you need to add an intake form, a signed consent, or a progress-related document, the upload process in SimplePractice is straightforward and secure. Before you start, make sure the file you want to add is saved on your computer and that you know where it's located. A quick file name check helps too. Clear, consistent names make it easier to find documents later. Begin by opening the client's profile and heading to the Files section. This is the central place where all documents related to that client are stored. Think of it as the client's digital filing cabinet, where you can quickly review, organize, and access everything you've previously added. Next, click the Actions button and select Upload File. This opens your computer's file picker, where you can choose what you want to upload. You can select a single document or multiple files at once if you're adding a batch. SimplePractice supports common formats like PDF, DOS, and DOCX, and standard image types. Each file must be 50 MB or less, so keep an eye on large scans or photo-heavy documents. If a file is too large, consider a quick adjustment before you upload. For example, rescan the document at a lower resolution, save it as a PDF instead of an image, or use a compression tool to bring the size under the 50 MB limit. Converting documents to PDF can also help preserve formatting and make them easier to view later on different devices. Once you've selected your file or files, click Upload. Depending on your internet speed and the size of the files, the process may take a moment. Avoid navigating away from the page while the upload is in progress. When it's complete, the document will be stored on the client's Files Overview page. You'll see it listed there with the file name, so you can quickly confirm it's in the right place. If you're uploading multiple documents, it's a good idea to review the list on the Files Overview page right after the upload finishes to ensure everything you intended to add is present. Taking a moment to verify saves time later. And that's it. You've opened the client's profile, gone to Files, used Actions to choose Upload File, selected your documents within the 50 MB limit, and clicked Upload. Your files now live in the client's Files Overview, ready for reference whenever you need them. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in SimplePractice.